Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. Currently in a trade on Great British Pound USD. I made an entry at 37.99. Four. Currently trade is up right now. We can shrink this up and show you what it looks like. As y'all can see, this is a buy terror. This is currently an uptrend. Trend is up. This is one of the legs. Got one leg here, two, three, and this is the fourth leg of this trend. I caught the fourth leg. I made an entry here, smoothed it upside, hoping that it's take out this high. It's getting very close to it because it resisted over here. It resisted here, so it didn't quite take out the high, but it definitely came with resistance there. So I made an entry on it. This is a trend continuation trade. Everything's rolling pretty smooth. This is generally how my trades go. If you follow all the rules and everything that's applicable to the trading strategy, this is what your result will be. You know, if you hang on for it and have a little more patience, maybe a week or so, you'll see this trend break this high, and you can take profits. You just gotta have an exit strategy, an entry strategy, and also an exit strategy to hold on, an exit strategy to in your trading plan. Those things are necessity as part of trading. But I don't want to keep this thing running on like that. This is a show trades. I will do education at some point, and you can understand some of the things that you know that I'm doing as part of my trading ideas and my trading strategy and my trading plan. But I'll let you check it out, y'all.